In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method in the Pop Mart app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you've been looking around in your profile section trying to find somewhere where to add in your payment method with no success, don't worry, I've got your back. So what I've found, they don't have an option here to add a payment method, but what we need to do is actually go and buy or put something in our cart and then make a purchase to put that payment method in for the first time. So for example, I'm just going to add this to my cart. All right, so I'm going to buy this now. Now we need to add a default address. All right, so from here I'm going to go down and click confirm and pay. Now this is where the magic happens. Now we can select the payment method, so we can pay via PayPal or credit card. So choose either or. If you want to do credit card, click into that. And now a little card information box is going to appear. Now this is where we can add the payment method and continue to purchase our product or products.